here we are today and getting back into the water. First time since late August 2021. Excited. I had a couple of meniscus surgeries on my right knee over the years, and eventually it became bone on bone. Finally gave out, too much arthritis, and the orthopedist took a x-rays of both knees and said, "You have worn your knees out. That's it." No problem.
First game in 2 years, and felt great.
I thought that was the end of surfing for me. Kept the boards around as a reminder. Had no idea I'd be able to get it back in last summer after the surgery. And until I met Sean and Cody and Justin outside of Active Life that time when I was hobbling by. After PT, and I started last February with Active Life. I wasn't super sure what was going to happen. It was cool, just working out, an overall body workout, but always kept in mind the knee and how I could get more of emotion out of it. I mean, look at this. This is great. I never thought I'd get this at all. I'm amazed. I've been feeling wonderful ever since. Got in the water today, feels great. And I'll be catching waves and surfing almost as good as I used to. You know, look, I'll be 74 in 2 days, and I'm not going to stop. I'm just not going to stop. That's it. Whether I'm surfing or doing some other type of activity, I'll have plenty of time to rest when I'm dead.